plane just crashed with the coke.
That's right, the plane just landed. If you want to win this 2024 BMW S1000RR with race and dynamic package, M-Forged wheels, quick shifter up and down, a Kropovich exhaust, and much, much more. So for your chance to enter to win it, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, donate or buy the merch, and you're automatically entered.
Come from it with smoke. From it with smoke and power. Look out to one brother Marrow. Marcus a prophet and we not stop say so. So, we don't certainly not go soak me up all one blood. Unity, strength. I don't go like them good so. Respect they kill them. So, who no ask them? What she looking at? My weary head, wear me out, I find a place of something about you. No, I gotta fix the drip. I gotta fix the drip. Can't let her. Gotta fix up the drip. You know that. Gotta fix the drip. Keep the drip looking like it's something. Keep the drip drippy. Alright, let's move. Let's big up on bus. Big up on bus. Alright. Big up on bus. That's just right. What's going on around here? Where will I find? Almost went through the light. Thought it was green for me. With them fucking lights. That's a couple of lights I seen that are not working in the city today. What's going on? Berlin City Works. Hello, baby. Yeah, I mean, like, put that picture in front of the wall, baby. That's right. Say, yeah, I'm gonna get it right here. Picture's gonna be very real historic in a few years. I scared you, didn't I? Don't worry about it, baby. Don't worry about it, brother. I got you. There we go. Get your ass up, get the fuck back, bitch. When did they hire you back? I thought they fired you from that corner. But they fired you from that corner. Fuck back on the sidewalk. My number one hater's back. Little stupid ass back over there. What's up, Ryder? Scooter girl? Scooting. Should have gave it a dot, but I ain't close enough right now for hit the fist. King gyro. Stop playing around. He'll be peeping from the backside. See you, baby. Oh, what's up, ma? She opened her mouth with jaw drop. She said, "Oh." She said, "Oh, oh, oh." Jaw dropped on her. She over there, bald head. I got a bald head. What's up, bro? Nice helmet. Thank you. You got the message. You got the message. Man, somebody smell like somebody spilled some alcohol over here. What's up back here, bro? Like a big bottle of alcohol somebody spilled. Like a bottle of Bacardi raspberry. Excuse me. Good eyes, boy. Alright. Come here. Come here, 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 come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Yo, 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 yo. You're here too. It's 360 camera. Yeah. I got you, alright? Okay. Put the town up, baby. You'll be on the bench. These ain't balling, you'll be on the bench. The 50K of night. Went from $50 to my name to 50K a night, baby. I'm take you to the 60th floor, baby. Get you in a pimp. Had to pull my tie clip down low. Cause it was going around too much at the time.
I met her down at Dainese. She said that she saw me walking in about a mile away. Bean just had to take her phone and
I just took a smile away.
she said I'm too drunk and crazy. She don't like the
way I dance.
I said you don't have to join in. She said she
take a chance.
I've been kinda crazy ever since it went down.
Alright. You over there chilling. I caught him peeking. Whew. Nice and easy though. Oh, fix my tire clip up. Don't snatch it out. Last month I stayed my. Wait, girls. Something I can take back to my hometown. That you don't find out, and they only love you right now. And lead them Broadway girls along. And lead them Broadway girls along. Ooh. Take a little stepper. Ooh. Got the tents out here for protesting overnight. Overnight protesting going on. Yeah, I go this way. Take a right. The drink don't need no mix. What the? Faded, baby. I see you over here. Even my man over here asking for change had to look. Even my man over here asking for change, he had to hit me with the oh hell yeah. He had to take a break from the coin collector. Hit me with the oh hell yeah. I'm fucking with him. I'm fucking with him. Completely fucking with him. Alright, see you, brother. What am I doing here? Trying to switch the song. Park Inn Hotel. When I first came to Berlin, I ate in this restaurant right here. First place I ate at. In a little diner. But I wasn't staying in that hotel. I don't remember actually where I was staying. I think I might have been staying on. I don't know. I don't remember. I don't remember. And I don't want to speculate. I don't want to guess. But I'm here now. Windy out here. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Can you guys hear that wind? Throwing them bones. Case thrown. What kind of music you guys listen to, man? Whatever country you're in, get in the comment section. Let me know what kind of music you guys listen to in your country. Or what kind of music you listen to. If your country might listen to a different music. And you don't rock with that kind of music, you might be listening to reggae music. Whatever it is. Jump in the comment section and let me know. And by the way, again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. You want to win this 2024 BMW S1000RR? Head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com. Buy the merch or donate, and you're automatically entered to win it. Automatically entered to win it. Alright, I see you, bro. Like us. They not like us. Come on. Hope your foot's alright, baby. Hey, baby. Brown and have a last watch. Woo. Damn thing has got a lot of torque in it, man. Whoever that winner is gonna win this thing is gonna get a monster, man. This goddamn thing is crazy. Don't fall over now, baby. You is on camera. Woo! They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. You think the Bay gonna let you disrespect Pop? That was crazy. That's a crazy line right there. I have to say that to myself. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you haven't followed me on TikTok, please do so. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do so. Good time out here for you guys. Real good time out here. I didn't get the Porsche GT3 out here though. When I was out here a little while ago, had turned the camera off. What's up, guys? All right.
Go. Keep giving these folks on the hate on.
Yeah, I like that.
I'm popping it major, yeah.